Hello, it's Mark from Moonstone Publications. Welcome to this overview of some of the stories we've covered over the past week. But first, please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. The High Court has ordered Aon to reconsider a debarment made almost 8 years ago, deeming the decision procedurally unfair. Kenilwe Zondi was debarred in June 2016, but brought her review application in July last year. This was far outside the deadline for instituting the application in terms of the Promotion of Administrative Justice Act. Zondi asked the court to exercise its power in terms of PAJA to grant an extension, but the court found this was unnecessary. It said Zondi only became aware in May last year that the debarment decision constituted administrative action that could be reviewed. Until then, a CCMA settlement agreement had left her with the impression that Aon could reverse the debarment. With less than a month left in the current CBD cycle, Moonstone Business School of Excellence offers a diverse range of CBD courses to help you catch up on any outstanding hours. As a recognized CPD provider, MBSE offers more than 80 courses to assist FSPs, key individuals, and representatives. The Council for Medical Schemes has slammed claims by the Board of Healthcare Funders that it is intentionally undermining medical schemes to boost support for NHI. Earlier this year, the BHF sent the CMS a lawyer's letter accusing the registrar and the council of displaying hostility towards medical schemes. Among other things, it alleged the CMS uses expensive lawsuits and curatorships to intimidate schemes. The CMS has come out swinging with a 31-page response. It takes issue with the BHF for creating what it called a media circus instead of using the remedies in the Medical Schemes Act to address the alleged unwarranted conduct. The Financial Services Tribunal has ordered Discovery Connect Distribution Services to reconsider the debarments of 2 agents dismissed for allegedly manipulating insurance quotes. An investigation found that about 1,200 policies were affected by the quote manipulation, which occurred 2 years ago. Client premiums were significantly discounted as a result. To date, the Tribunal has addressed 7 applications from implicated agents. In the latest rulings, the Tribunal found that Discovery Connect failed to prove its case on a balance of probabilities. Hackers are targeting tax practitioners in an attempt to steal taxpayers' refunds. The South African Institute of Chartered Accountants says there's been a surge in unauthorized access to e-filing profiles in recent months, with fraudsters changing bank details to divert refunds to their own accounts. In one case, the information of 20 clients was compromised, with hackers targeting those due large refunds. Tax practitioners are urged to report any suspicious activity to SARS and the police immediately. The Hawks are investigating the reported death of MTI founder Johann Steynberg. A Brazilian online publication reported last week that Steynberg passed away on the 22nd of April after a severe heart attack while under house arrest. Steynberg had been awaiting extradition after fleeing South Africa in 2020 following the collapse of the MTI crypto scam. Meanwhile, the National Prosecuting Authority is seeking confirmation of Steynberg's death before considering dropping criminal charges against him. However, the criminal investigations into the scheme will go ahead regardless. The South African Reserve Bank hopes the country's new deposit insurance scheme will result in the banks paying higher interest rates on deposits. The Corporation for Deposit Insurance was officially launched last week. The SARB said there's currently a comfortable gap between what banks pay on deposits and what they can earn even from leaving cash at the SARB overnight. With Cody ensuring the safety of deposits up to 100,000 Rand, The central bank hopes this will lead to increased competition for deposits and push interest rates closer to the repo rate. That's all we have for this week. You can read these stories and many more on our website, moonstone.co.za. Until next time, here's wishing you all the best from the team at Moonstone Information Refinery.